Hello guys, and this is for people that did not know this, but the off-road outlaws, you can actually hack it off of Lucky Patcher. So, you just click on it, click open menu, a patch, create, hit APK rebuild for in-app and LVL rebuild. Already did this, so I can't really X out of it now, but yeah, and I'll show you guys how to, if you guys don't know how to download Lucky Patcher. Just give it a minute. This should pop up, and it should have a green one, but I already hacked it, so this will not work for me again. So, whenever that happens, go to, on the bottom, there should be a rebuild, right there. Hit Lucky Patcher, Modified, and you look for your game, Off-Road Outlaws. Click on that, hit Install, hit Yes, and click on Install. I already have. So, I'll show you guys how it works, and then for some other people. Alright, so I got some cars off of this, but you just go to dealership, not dealership, what am I talking about? Go to buy gold, and it should have, it looks like you didn't hack it till you click on it, and thanks, and if you click on something, hit auto repeat, and it works. If you look at my gold, it constantly adds up. Easy. Okay. So, I'll show you guys how to download Lucky Patcher. For the other people that don't know. So, you guys, if you know, you guys can leave if you want, or keep watching. So, look at Lucky Patcher, APK, and I still gotta, there's, I believe this one's it. No, it isn't. Where's this one? This is not it. It should be one of these. You just gotta find it. This one is it. So, I believe so. So, whenever that's done downloading, go to your downloads, right here, and just click on it and hit install, and that's how you do it. If this one is the real one, I'll look for another one if this one doesn't work. So it's gonna be just this one. Just leave a comment in the light on that. I'm gonna talk about. Oh no, it's right here. Wait a minute. Alright, so look for this one, actually. Sorry. But it's this one, Android APKs3.com. And it should say last for Android download. Android APKs free. Alright, so see you guys, and like and comment down below if it works, and subscribe.